With a look at Calamari. All right, we got a big push coming in the crypto market here. All right, Bitcoin is coming in for probably a 618, maybe a 702 retracement, and then I'm expecting that pullback to 32,000. All right, I've been talking about that for months. That 618, I talked about it for months. It came up, it hit it perfectly, and now it's getting a retracement. But Calamari, look at this on the daily. We're at 1110, 11. It's bouncing back and forth here. 11.59, 11.2 down at the bottom. All right, the RSI's. Look at the 3-day. At a 0 and a 3, just about reset on the 3-day. Okay, so that's great to see. I don't believe we have a, yeah, we do have a weekly. The weekly is pulling down a 70 and an 81. You want to see something pretty crazy? Look at this monthly wick on this thing. Look at that. Look at that run up there, 0.008, and then that drawdown. And wow, huge, massive wick there. And on the monthly, you got all kinds of buy volume down here. All right, so that's good to see, especially when this bottom came in. That's when the buy-in started, and that's been pushing the price up here. All right, so that monthly is at a 196. It's still bullish. All right, we still got a push up coming on this thing. All right, now let's zoom in here. We got that daily. We got that bottom that came in down here at 0.0026, and we grabbed support right there. Okay, you can see we grabbed right here. We grabbed support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last 6 days, it's held that support, and now it's bouncing. All right, now on a 12-hour. The RSI is still bullish, a 75 and a 59. We broke this level here. Now we're retesting it as support at 0.0033. All right, you can see that break up the green candle. The red candle's back testing it now as support. The 8-hour still bullish, a 73 and a 65, and the 4 hours still bullish, an 85 and a 51. All right, see that massive push up. Retest. Now it's retesting this area as support, and the next bounce should be coming here pretty soon with this thing. All right, so Calamari, some very areas to keep an eye on here. All right, if this thing busts back up 0.0041, you got, well, let me move that down here. There we go. 0.004105. That's your next resistance. If it busts that, 0.0046. All right, but expect a big push out of this thing. It's coming. All right, we got a lot of the big RSIs reset. All right, if we go out on a daily and take a look at this thing, you would at least expect a retracement back up to the 618. Okay, the 618 is up here at 0.0055. All right, right up here. Okay, that's 702 fib. Is a very, very important one. If we get up there 0.0059, if it breaks through that, then we could be heading to, then we could be retesting the all-time highs. If it gets rejected at this 702, all right, then expect a pretty decent pullback. So once we start getting up towards these areas, we're going to keep a very, very close eye on this. Okay, but expect to bounce, you know, back up in this area for sure. You know, it could take days to get up there. It's not going to happen in a day or two, but you know, over the next week or so, you know, I'd expect to push back up into these areas. Let me circle these areas. I like doing that because just like I did with Shido and a few other ones there, you know, and they end up getting to the spots where I expect them to. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you very soon.